Tradelle Honest Review, watch before using. In today's video, we're diving into Tradelle, an eSIM service that has gained attention for its flexibility and global coverage. If you're someone who frequently travels or needs mobile data abroad, Tradelle positions itself as a cost-effective, hassle-free solution for seamless connectivity across the world. But is it really worth your time? Let's break it down. Tradelle offers a wide range of eSIM data plans with support for multiple countries. You can easily choose your destination and get a data plan within minutes, all managed directly through their app or website. The real draw here is the convenience. No need to swap physical SIM cards, no long waits at airports, and no expensive roaming charges. You just scan the QR code provided by Tradelle, and you're set to go. Now, when it comes to features, Tradelle covers both prepaid and postpaid options, which is a great advantage for people who prefer a flexible, no-strings-attached experience. Plus, the app is user-friendly. Everything is straightforward, from choosing the right plan to managing your usage. You can also top up and extend your plan easily, which is a bonus when you find yourself using more data than expected. Tradelle caters to both short-term travelers and long-term visitors. Whether you're going on vacation, on a business trip, or staying for several months, they offer plans that suit a variety of needs. However, it's important to note that while Tradelle boasts good coverage in many regions, its network might not be as widespread or reliable in remote or less connected areas compared to some bigger players in the eSIM space. For major cities and popular destinations, though, the service generally performs well. On pricing, Tradelle is competitive, offering affordable options with no hidden fees. You get exactly what you pay for, with the ability to track your data usage in real time, ensuring you never run out unexpectedly. Customer support is also responsive, which is crucial when traveling abroad. So, is Tradelle worth it? If you're looking for a convenient, budget-friendly eSIM solution for your travels, Tradelle is certainly a solid option. It's especially useful for short trips, and the flexibility it offers makes it appealing for both casual and frequent travelers. Just keep in mind that coverage might not be as extensive in rural areas. That's it for today's review of Tradelle. I hope this gives you the clarity you need to decide if it's the right eSIM for your next trip. Thanks for watching.